Hey guys, I'm Erin Wood. I'm a personal trainer and group fitness instructor here at the Arena Club. I'm here to give you your arena fitness tip of the day, and that is the clean and press and the proper technique and form for the clean and press. So we have a bar here. If you take body pump classes, you're gonna see clean and press very often. Otherwise, you can also do it on the fitness floor at any time. So when you pick up the bar, bending from the knees, you want the bar resting on your thighs. You want your chest up and nice and lifted. When you do a clean and press, you're gonna bend slightly from the knees. You're gonna draw up, squat underneath, drive through the heels, press. You squat a second time, and then you flip it over. So it's almost like an upright row, under, catch, and then reset. So a lot of things I see people doing wrong with the clean and press is taking it in front of them by out here, okay? So if you're doing that, a lot of times it's because you don't have enough weight on your bar. Putting extra weight on there is gonna keep it close to your body where your powerhouse is, and that's what we need it to be. So again, if I was standing toe to toe with you, you wouldn't hit me with it. So again, from the side, slight bend to the knee, chest up, catch, drive, belly and embrace, catch, squat again, and then roll the shoulders up and over. So catch, press, catch, reset, catch, and keep your chest lifted when the bar comes down. A lot of times I'll see people coming down here. To alleviate that or to keep that from happening, you brace through the core, catch. So it's 2 squats in there. Make sure you add them. You absorb the pressure of the bar and reset. And that's your arena fit tip of the day with Erin.